Qonto has quickly become one of the most popular financial platforms for small and medium-sized enterprises, and for good reason. Designed specifically for businesses, it simplifies banking by providing a fully digital experience with tools tailored to everyday business needs. One of the standout features is its multi-user account management. SMEs can create accounts for their team members with custom permissions, allowing employees to handle specific tasks like payments or expense management without giving full access to the main account. This ensures control while promoting efficiency. Another essential feature is Qonto's seamless expense management system. Businesses can issue physical and virtual cards for employees, set spending limits, and track transactions in real time. All expenses are automatically categorized, making bookkeeping much easier and saving hours that would otherwise be spent reconciling statements. This transparency also helps in monitoring cash flow, preventing overspending, and maintaining financial discipline. Qonto offers an intuitive invoicing feature that allows SMEs to create, send, and manage professional invoices directly from the platform. Integration with accounting software ensures that every invoice is tracked, and payments are reconciled automatically, cutting down on administrative overhead. Recurring payments are simple to handle, and direct debits streamline subscription or supplier payments, ensuring businesses never miss a deadline. The platform also provides multi-currency support, which is particularly beneficial for SMEs dealing with international clients or suppliers. Businesses can hold balances in different currencies and make transfers without excessive fees, which can save hundreds or even thousands of dollars annually. Security is another area where Qonto shines. Every transaction is protected with state-of-the-art encryption, and instant notifications for every activity on the account allow businesses to monitor for any suspicious activity immediately. Qonto's transparent pricing plans are structured to suit different business sizes, making it a cost-effective solution. From solo entrepreneurs to larger SMEs, the plans provide access to essential banking services without hidden fees, helping businesses save money while staying organized. For SMEs looking to streamline their finances, reduce administrative burdens, and maintain precise control over their cash flow, Qonto offers a comprehensive, reliable, and user-friendly platform that simplifies business banking in ways traditional banks cannot match.